Hello friends, so today we are going to see Hatchpro latest THT20 controller. So first we will talk about all the features about this controller, and then we will see that how to do the settings and what are all settings with this. So this controller has one humidity sensor and one temperature sensor with it, and it comes with one user manual and also the bill. So you will get the bill also, and you will get 1 year warranty on all of our Hatchpro controllers. You can see this you will get from our website if you order it from our website. So this user manual explains everything. It has specifications, it has features, all the features. You can see that it has 12. It is operating on 12 volt DC. So advantage of operating it on 12 volt DC is whenever say you have power fluctuation in your village area or somewhere, so only your adapter, 12 volt adapter will only get damaged, not the whole controller. So this you can easily change it from the market. Only it will cost you only 150 rupees or 100 rupees maybe, but you can easily get it from the market. So this is the advantage that when we run this controller on a 12 volt adapter, so your controller will be working fine, and just this will be only the impacted. So and friends, this adapter is not bundled with the package with this controller. This you have to purchase separately. So now let's connect it. So now you can see this controller is starting. So this controller has temperature. So you can see the temperature here. Humidity is there. Timer is there. Temperature means this is displaying the actual temperature. This is the actual humidity, and the timer, that after how many minutes this controller will turn on the turning. It is also indicated by the LED lights here. So for example, the temperature is on, heater is on, so it is showing the temperature and then humidity. Whenever rotation will start, it will turn on the timer light. Whenever there is problem, it will start on the alarm. And then setting, if you open the setting. At the back, you will see that you have a option for the temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and then 12 volt adapter supply. You can also connect the fan, 12 volt fan, if you are running this incubator with your 12 volt DC fan. So you can connect it from here. You can connect to your fogger here. It has a humidity output. It controls the humidity. So you can connect the fogger here, and then exhaust. It supports the exhaust also. So just in case in the summer if temperature goes high, so controller will automatically start the exhaust and it will reduce the temperature inside the machine. Then it has a for turning it supports your left right turning also, and normal turning also with single trays also. And then here you have to give the 220 volt input, and here you have to connect the heater. So this is about the controller and all the wirings. So this we have very well explained in this user manual. You can see this. It has two type of load connection. One is your normal trays. This is Hatchpro tray. We recommend using Hatchpro trays, or the turning system which is having left and right with limit switch. So you can follow this wiring diagram and you can connect with it. So now friends, let's see the settings. What settings we have here. So if you turn on the controller and if you press settings, these settings are very well explained here. Like you can see, it has general setting, control setting, and your calibration setting. So if you press set button, it will open your setting, and here you can increase or decrease your set value of temperature. Then if you press OK, it will open the humidity setting. Again you can decrease here, and press OK. This will open the timer setting, means after how many minutes turning will start. Again you can adjust it from plus or minus button. Then press OK. It will save the controller, all the settings inside the controller, and it is now saved. And the next setting is control setting. So control settings are been rarely adjusted, but you can open it. So to open the control settings, you can press plus and set button together like this. So you can see that P1 is there. P1 is temperature difference, that at what difference this relays will operate. So right now it is set at 0.1, means if you are setting it at 37.7 and temperature if goes below 37.6, then only it will turn on the heaters. So you can see this. If you press OK, and it will open the P2 setting. P2 setting again we have mentioned here. P2 is your upper humidity limit. You can again increase, decrease it from here. Then if you press OK, it will open P3 setting. P3 is your lower humidity setting. Then if you press OK, this will open P4 setting, means this will show after how long, like after turning, how long your tray will rotate. For example, say after 2 hours you want to rotate it for 120 seconds, or if you want to rotate it for say just 60 seconds, so you can accordingly decrease it. So this is how long tray will rotate, and it is in seconds. So this we have mentioned here. Then if you press OK, now it will open your P5 setting. P5 is your exhaust setting. So for example, say if your set value goes above 1 degree, then only exhaust will work. Otherwise, exhaust will remain turn off. So you again you can adjust it also. Say for example, if you want to set it at 0.5 degree, so you can accordingly adjust it. And if you press OK button, now all the settings will be saved and your controller is saved. So friends, this is you can see the settings. It is very easy. We have also mentioned some of the safety guides here, and factory setting is also there, friends. If you just, for example, say if you think that you have done something wrong which you want to revert, so you can just press plus and minus button together for a few seconds and it will restart your controller. You can see that it is now restarted. So everything whatever we have changed, it will revert everything. So friends, this controller is our made in India controller. This is inside, it is double circuit controller. You can see this. So this is our display unit, this is our control unit. So you can see the logging, our name is also printed on it. And but if you want to say print your logo on here, that also we support, but you have to increase your quantity to say 50-60 pieces if you have the order. Then we can print your name also here, and you can purchase it on your name also. So I hope these settings are clear, and this is made in India controller, friends. I hope you will like it and you will start using this controller inside your machine. And we have a special discount for all the machine manufacturers which are using Chinese controllers. So we just want to replace all the Chinese controllers with our made in India controllers, so that we start using our made in India controllers. And also it is available at very attractive price. If you have bulk orders, definitely we can guarantee that we will meet the Chinese price at the better quality. So quality is very good, friends. You will not face any complaint. We are using